Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, A Disney Bride's Diary. So today's video is going to be on Disney's Wilderness Lodge. I will be doing a room tour as well as showing you the access from the boat ramp to Disney's Contemporary Resort and Magic Kingdom. Now, if you're wanting to mix a little bit of the country life with Disney, this is the resort for you. And if you want easy access to Magic Kingdom, this resort is perfect. Keep in mind that during the holidays, they do have their large Christmas tree and it is beautiful. So here we go right into the room tour. This is the double queen size bedroom and this is the resort view room. So you either get a view of the parking lot or you will see here the view that we got. And of course they do add their Mickey touches. And coming around here, you have your two queen size beds. You have your drawers here for storage. You have a little seating area, which is nice. And then as you can see here, you have a nice size balcony with 2 chairs, a table, and our view was overlooking the Cascade Cabins. That's a little trail there. Absolutely love the views. I'm glad it was not a parking lot view this time around. And then making our way over here, just showing you another view. We had our stroller there, plenty of room, your little coffee area. Here is the bathroom. And of course you get your Disney H2O lotion, some towels, and you get your soap. And then coming around here, showing you the bathtub, the shower, and they do have the Disney H2O products already built in there. I have no complaints as far as the room goes. It's very spacious. And over here is the main pool area. We did not get a chance to really enjoy the amenities this time around because it was a quick trip. But you could see there they do have the pool. And they do also have a kids slide area, which has a splash pad and then the slide going down. Now I'm going to be showing you now a quick view of how it is when you're walking to the transportation to Magic Kingdom. Of course, the only way to get to Magic Kingdom is either by boat or by the bus. I found the boat was super easy to access. It was not far to get there as well. This is about a 5-minute walk on this little trail that you see here. It's a very scenic trail, which does help as you're walking. And there is signage along the way to tell you where you need to go. And I just shut off the camera for a quick moment. It was a couple of seconds and you can already see the boat ramp where you catch the boat to the Magic Kingdom. Now you can also go to the Magic Kingdom or you can take the boat to Disney's Contemporary Resort. And if you're wanting to take the monorail, you can hop on the monorail from Disney's Contemporary Resort. So it's up to you. You really have either boat access, bus transportation, or you can take it to Disney's Contemporary and choose to take the monorail. But honestly, the boat access is the easy way. And the boat ride, I'd have to say, is about a 5-minute boat ride on Bay Lake. Now this boat here, to get to the Magic Kingdom, we had to fold up our stroller. So keep that in mind if you're having issues with accessibility. Now I found for the boat ride to Magic Kingdom, we had to fold up our stroller. I don't know as far as handicap access goes. I did not see a ramp for this type of boat. Now from Magic Kingdom to the Wilderness Lodge at night, at the end of the night, it was a larger boat and we did not have to fold up the stroller. And I saw several people getting on with their strollers, wheelchairs, as well as the scooters. Now, as well, we had stayed at Magic Kingdom until closing. So, and if you've been there at closing, you know how crowded and packed it gets. So I don't know if they run the boats, the larger boats, just late at night so that they can put more people on the boats. But just giving you a little tip on the accessibility as far as, because it's very important for us with our stroller, how we're able to get around. And just showing you some of the views here. You do take a little stroll around Bay Lake to where you're able to see Disney's Contemporary Resort and Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. And just showing you Disney's Grand Floridian Resort there. Now Disney's Wilderness Lodge is home to Whispering Canyons restaurant, which is delicious for breakfast. They have amazing skillets as well as entertainment. And then you do have the Storybook Dining at Artist Point, which you can dine with Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, as well as the Evil Queen. And they do have other quick service such as the Roaring Fork. I didn't get video footage of those, but you will see coming up more of the hotel lobby. And these are the beautiful views that you will see from the lobby. And if you're just walking around, they do also have a geyser that goes off every couple of minutes. They do have an arcade inside of there, and you see the signage there. So this is a great family resort if you're needing a lot of amenities. And also if you're coming by yourself, it's a great resort to have to explore, and there's so much to do. I highly recommend Storybook Dining at Artist Point because it is one-of-a-kind dining. Reservations are difficult to get, but it's worth a try. And I just love the lobby views, you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope this was helpful. Take the time to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, don't forget to stay magical. And also, this is the Mercantile there. They have a very nice gift shop as a side note. All right, guys, take care. Thanks for watching.